So here we are, we're in Dalian at a nice little park that I've never come to before. And this over here is the water flow from the, this is the dam. There's a reservoir behind, so if there's any kind of water overflow, it'll overflow into this area that goes to the sea. But there's a park along this area. And I just stumbled across this really cool outdoor gym. I mean, look at this thing. This is so wild. People using like makeshift weights. Lehigh. Look at that. I mean, look at these dumbbells. I love it. There's all kinds of people here. They're all buff too. This guy. Okay, see how many times he goes up and down. I mean, it's really cool. People, wow, look at these makeshift weights. Wow. Not bad deadlifts. I never knew this was here. This is so cool. So this is like the Dalian Gold's gym of old. Or what was that gym on the Hollywood Boulevard? I forget where it was in California, but it was outdoors. Arnold Schwarzenegger used to go there to show off. But anyway, this is really wild. Yeah, look at these things. I don't know if they're... Look like concrete, like barrels, and then they put concrete inside. Wow, so cool. I'm gonna walk around here. I don't want to bother these guys, but this is just so wild, man. Oh, look at this. I love these blocks. Wow. Okay. Homemade and handmade. Well, homemade and it's not handmade. What I meant to say is from a store. But yeah, look at these guys. These are homemade for sure. Wow, concrete blocks. Wow, that's actually a piece of stone, and they've drilled into it. Sweet. And over here, oh wow. Okay, so so behind here is the reservoir. Yeah, and there's the overflow. So the water's behind here, it overflows into this little area. If it rains really hard for a long time, like maybe for weeks, then the water will start flowing into there. But yeah, look at this place. Wow. Wow, I like this one. I wonder if these guys have ever seen a foreigner here before. Ni hao. Ni hao. Wow, I like the crossover cables. This is cool. I don't want to bother these guys while they're doing a workout, but that's pretty impressive. 加拿大人。加拿大人。Yes. 那个掂称的地方很好的，掂称的地方很好。哇 ，OK， 你们厉害的。Wow, they even got bikes here. I noticed this as well. There's Renee. Oh, this is hello. Oh, okay, hello. I didn't hear someone say hello. Okay. Hello, ni hao. Okay. I like the cable, the crossover cable thing.
You want to look for that?
Okay. Well, which one?
The other one?
Oh, that one's pretty good. Okay, I can try that one. That one's awesome. Okay, maybe I'll try. Yeah. Whoa, look at this. I wonder how heavy that is, what the weight of that is. All homemade. Yeah, just a piece of, looks like an old bucket. They poured concrete into it and probably had a pipe in there to make a hole and then put the steel pipe in there to make a deadlift or some sort of, probably for deadlifts or overhead press. That would be a heavy overhead press. Even little children are here. There's a lady, they're going to get on the bike. Oh, this little girl over there. Wow. And this is a wild outdoor gym. I wonder what they do in the wintertime here.
Wow,
this is so cool. Oh, look at the little girl. Yeah, she's climbing up. Wow. Good for her. Yeah. 对，this 他们说很厉害 which means she's amazing. Yeah, she is really good. Wow. At least her mother's there, so she's okay. Yeah. Okay, well, here's the Dalian outdoor gym in Dalian, China. I love this gym. Renee told me about it. I didn't know it was like this at all, so this is really awesome to see this. Oh. Oh. 可以跳呢。
得挂钩。
Yeah, 很好。OK， 厉害的。哇 ，All right。
你高度还不行，还得升。
哇，小心呐。
他手上带着挂钩。
Oh, I see. 我知道。Okay, he says he has something on his wrist to hold him so he doesn't fall off, which is really safe. Yeah, otherwise it would be unsafe. Yeah, boy. Yes, it would be unsafe if you didn't have that. Okay, 厉害的。Okay. Wow. Yeah, these are all handmade, like wooden. Wow. This little cable thing. Oh, look at that. That's wild. I love it. Crazy fun. I'm okay. Okay. 可以试试吗? Okay. Oh, okay. They tell me I can try it if I want. Okay, I want to try it. Okay, this is all for now, all for the video. Hopefully you enjoy a little bit of Dalian in the daily life of Chinese people here. It's amazing. Oh, there's steps over here. I didn't even know that. Okay. Oh, he said I cannot go up those steps. Oh, okay. 好，谢谢。Okay, he's gonna have me try it.
I can hold on.
Okay, I had the video on, baby.
Okay.
Okay, 这么用吗？
问你怎么样？
Young.
对，有劲儿，你看。
Like this.
看看。
谢谢老赵。
Where's the jaw?
Okay, 很好的。Wow, very good.
做得好。
Okay, 可以呀，maybe. Wait. Oh.
Mark, be careful.
养着吗？可以吗？可以，养着吗？出来，对吧？呀，哇，有眼前。Just 拉啊。Oh, okay. Okay, hold on.
想怎么做就怎么做。
Like this? Oh, what do you mean? Oh, like this? Hey, 然后呢？然后呢？ Like. Wow. 我来。哇。
他这没常干，有劲
呀，
儿。
好，厉害的。Okay. Okay.
会火。
OK，很好了，谢谢给我试试。OK，你走。